Welcome back to my channel. Myself Revan. In today's video, I solve 704 binary search. In this video, I will show you the most efficient binary search algorithm in C++. So, in this question, here given an array of integer nums which is sorted in ascending order and an integer target write a function search target in nums. If target exists, then return its index, otherwise return -1. You must write an algorithm with O log and runtime complexity. Here given an input num equal to -1, 0, 3, 5, 9, 12 or target is 12. Explanation here normal given 9 exists in the num if its index to find the answer as a index is 4. What's our approach to solve this question? We use a binary search which works on sorted array. Instead of checking every element, we divide the search space into half, then compare the middle element with target. Move left or right accordingly. This reduces time complexity. So let's start the code. First, we take a left int left equal to 0. Then we take a variable right equal to nums dot size -1. Then we run a while loop. Let's check left less than equal to 9. Then it's run. First we find a midpoint. Mid index is mid equal to int left plus right divide by 2. It's find the mid. After that we check if nums mid equal to target, then we return nums mid. We return immediately mid. It's find the targeted value. If not found, then we check else if condition. Else if nums mid greater than target, then right equal to mid -1. Else left equal to mid +1. If here given no satisfied index, then otherwise we return -1. So we here return -1. First we check through the cases. Here two cases are passed. How its code work? Here we take left and right. Left equal to 0, then right equal to n-1. Define search boundaries. After that we run a while loop, continue searching until valid range is exit or not. Then we check mid. If mid equal to left plus right divided by 2, find the middle index. After we compare nums mid equal to target, then found. If nums mid greater than target, then search left. Then nums mid less than target, then search right. After that we try run the code step by step. So how its code work? We try run. Here we start from step 1. Step 1. Here from left side from 0 index it's 0 index. From right side we write num size minus 1 means here is the size is 6, 6 minus 1 5 means right side is index 5th and minus 1. Here mid is here mid is left plus right means 0 plus 5 divided by 2 means 2 is mid means nums 2 means 0 nums second index means 0 index first index second index means nums 2 is 3. We compared that our target here 3 is less than 9, here 3 is less than 9. So our action is uh, left equal to mid plus 1. Here mid is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So here we write in the going to the second step. Step 2, here left equal to 3 means third index from left 0 1 2 3 third, and the right is fifth index. Here mid to find 3 plus 5 equal to 8 divided by 2 means fourth number. Nums fourth index is we check num for 0 1 2 3 4 fourth index is 9. Here 9 equal to 9 means we find the targeted one means it's the solution is right on the code. Here we now submit the code. It's submitted 0 ms and 100%. It's 47 test cases are passed in this code. Why this approach is best? Cut the search space in half very fast for large array, then core concept normally, so that its time complexity is O log n. Here given in the question you must write an algorithm with O log n runtime and page complexity is OF1. This problem tests searching technicals, divide and codes and logical thinking. One of the most important topics in problem solving. I use binary search to reduce the search space by half at each step, achieving O log and time complexity. If this video helped you, like the video, comment your doubts, subscribe for more coding content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.